What's good? What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Naughty Boy. Yeah. We playing no games. We didn't come for games. Guess what? A little birdie dropped this off at my doorstep. Looks like we're gonna do an unboxing. Let's get this open, no further ado. But actually, before we open it, I just want to say shout out Deluxe. So you guys need to start skating on real skateboards, Spitfire wheel, thunder trucks, vintage trucks, anti-hero boards, crooked, you name it. So long as it's Deluxe, you need a tux. This is some official shit right there. Okay, let's start off. Yay, yay. Okay. Alright. Before we pull it out, let me get a drum roll, please. Okay. Let's pull out the first item. Before we even do that, let's see what small stuff pops up. So first off, let's pull them out. Let you guys see them. Spitfire lock-ins. These are great for bombing hills, power sliding. Because then you don't get those little flat spots and your wheels don't sound like you have a water bottle in the back tire of your bicycle. Okay. Now look at that. Boom. Yeah. Ride Deluxe. You know, you need a tux. Because this thing is boy. Yeah. Alright. Next item. Oh. I think they sent me. Oh, another pair. Boom. There's 2 of them! Shout out to Deluxe. Love the fam. It looks like we got a couple boards. Now let's look at them. There's 2 of them! This time they are crooked. You thought they were reals. We got one pink body, one blue body. But 2 of the same. Yeah, threesome. You see me? Dang. It says body count. What's yours? Shout out Deluxe, man. Love crooked. You think I don't love crooked? You see this? Okay. Hold up. Real quick. Now you see this? This is what you call dedication. Dedication. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Shout out Deluxe. Deluxe for life. Just want to say thank you one more time. You guys really helped me keep skating, keep progressing, or as you guys say, keep pushing. This right here keeps me motivated to skate for life. Rep Deluxe for life. Thank you so much. Like, you don't have to do this, but you do. So, I love you. And now, let's just play some recent clips so you guys can get some video in. like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Yee!
Smooth, mate.
Look.